So imagine computer memory is a series of numbered deposit boxes. Each box has contents. In programming, we can take a box and give it a label. This is called a variable. For example, we create a variable called var1. So we have a box in memory labelled var1. In Python, we can write this as var1 equals 20, which is assigning the value of 20 into the variable called var1. So we create another variable called var2, which we're going to set to the value of 30. We're going to take both these variables, var1 and var2, and add them together to put into the variable called total. We can express this in Python as the following: total equals var1 plus var2. So again, imagine a box in memory labelled total, of which we're going to insert the value 20 plus 30, which is 50, into there. We can take all these programming statements and put them into a complete program, as shown here, with the addition of the print statement, which will output the contents of the variable labelled total. And if I run it in the program, you will see it as the following.